Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set inclusive calculation in the sale order module in Logic ERP. So, let's get started. Head to the sale order module. Enter the customer name. Select the inclusive tax region. Proceed with transacting the item. Then go to the other details section. As shown in this section, inclusive tax calculation is applied, where the gross amount already includes tax. The system internally calculates and adjusts the tax components, ensuring that the net amount remains equal to the gross amount. Now, let's take a look at how inclusive tax calculation can be configured. For the same, go to the configuration and navigate to calculation mode. For tax 2, set the calculation position percentage fields to cumulative. Define the calculation method as minus. Set the calculation type to item-wise inclusive to enable inclusive tax calculation. Additionally, you can configure the round-off and description as required. These settings ensure that tax 2 is calculated inclusively and applied correctly during transaction processing. For tax 1, set the calculation position for percentage fields to position number. We have set position number to 5. To determine the position number, count all fields from upwards to tax 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here, the total number of fields up to tax 2 is 5, so we have set calculation position for tax 1 as 5. Next, define the calculation method as plus and set the calculation type to default. You may also configure the round-off and description fields as required. For tax 3, maintain all settings exactly as configured for tax 1. So, this is how you can configure inclusive tax calculation for a sales order.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.